Good morning, students. Microprocessor. Okay, this class we will discuss the rotate. Here, each bit in the accumulator can be shifted either left or right to the next position. That is, the bits are rotated either left or right position. Here, the opcode is here RLC. Operand, there is no operand. Rotate accumulator left. Rotate accumulator left. So each binary bit of accumulator is rotated left by one position. Here it is, since it is a 8-bit D0 to D7. Bit D7 is placed in the position of D0 as well as in the carry flag. The carry is modified according to bit D7. Then the flags S, Z, P, AC are not affected. Only carry is modified. Okay. So RLC. So before execution, B0, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, and then the carry. Okay. When the state opcode is executed, so the B7 comes to carry, okay, and then the B6 is moved to here. The B7 comes to here. Okay. So B4, B5, B4, B3, B2, B1, B0, then B7 comes to here. The carry also contains B7. So rotate left. Then next opcode is here RRC. That is rotate accumulator right. So each binary bit of accumulator is rotated right by one position. Bit D0 is placed in the position of D7 as well as the carry flag. So carry is modified according to bit D0 and other flags are unaffected. So right. Okay. Therefore, the B0 is moved to carry. Okay. Then right comes to this position and these bits are moved. Okay. So B1 comes here, then B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, and then B0. Then next one is here RAL, rotate accumulator left through carry. So each bit, binary bit of the accumulator is rotated left by one position through the carry flag. Bit D7 is placed in the carry flag and the carry flag is placed in the LSB. Then C is modified according to the bit D7. Then other flags are unaffected. So RAL. So before execution, B0, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, then carry. Okay. So this B7 is moved to carry and B6 here, B5 come here, okay, B3, B2, B1, B0, then this carry is moved to this position. Okay. So carry comes here. Then next opcode is here RAR, that is rotate accumulator right through carry. So here each binary bit of accumulator is rotated right by one position through the carry flag. So bit D0 is placed in the carry flag and the carry flag is placed in the most significant position, that is D7. And then carry flag is modified according to the bit D0 and the other flags are not affected. So this is the before execution. So this is the carry flag. Then the B0 is moved to this position and the carry is moved to this position. In complement, the content of the accumulator can be complemented. That is, each 0 is replaced by 1 and 1 is replaced by 0. What is called a complement. The first code is a CME. So complement accumulator. The content of accumulators are complemented. No flags are affected. So CME. So A is a 0, 0. Then it is complemented 1, 1. So next one is a complement carry. Okay. The carry flag is complemented. No other flags are affected. So carry here it is complemented. So next opcode is a STC, set carry. Okay. So the carry flag is set to 1 and no other flags are affected. So STC means the carry flag set to 1. Next one is a branching instruction. You know what is a branching? The control will transfer from one place to another place. Okay, it is the branch group of instruction allow the microprocessor to change the sequence of the program either conditionally or under certain conditions. So there are three kind of branching instruction. One is a jump instruction. Then another one is a call and a return instruction and a restart instructions. Okay, first jump, JMP. So 16-bit address. Operand is a 16-bit address. Unconditional jump. So the program sequence is transferred to the memory location specified by a 16-bit address. That is HL address. It is given in the operand. For example, here the address is here 2034. So jump unconditionally to this address. Next opcode is a JX. So operand is a 16-bit address. Jump conditionally. Here the program sequence is transferred to the memory location specified by the 16-bit address given in the operand based on the specified flag of PSW. Okay. So jump on condition JZ, the address. So jump conditionally. Opcode is a jump if carry, that is carry flag is a 1. JNC, jump if no carry. So if the carry is a 0. JZ, jump if 0. So Z flag, 0 flag is set to 1 here. JNZ, jump if no 0. So 0 flag is 0. JPE, jump if parity even. So parity bit. JPO, jump if parity odd. 0. Okay. Next is a call. Call unconditionally. The operand is a 16-bit address. The program sequence is transferred to the memory location specified by a 16-bit address given in the operand. Before the transfer, the address of the next instruction after call is pushed into the stack. Okay, so that is example is a call the address 2034.